Hello everyone, Brandon here with Enduro E-Bikes Canada. Today we're doing a test ride and first impressions of a 12,000 watt 5-turn Enduro E-Bike. This bike's rated at 221 foot-pounds of instantaneous torque, which is absolutely mind-blowing. This thing will pick up the front wheel on demand at any speed with a flick of the throttle. I'm super excited to try it out, so let's go and ride it around. This one's equipped with a D&M front and rear suspension. Super smooth ride over the bumps on the road here. Oh man, that's just crazy how much torque this thing has. So this bike is equipped with the regenerative braking. You can see what I let off here, it's a bit more of an aggressive slowdown, and that's because we're actually recharging the battery once I'm not using the throttle. In theory, over the lifespan of a single trip on a single charge, the regenerative feature will add about 20 kilometers of range. Man, that's pretty snappy. That regenerative braking feature really makes it nice. You barely ever have to use the friction brakes at all. This bike here is equipped with a horn as well too. Super nice add-on to have. Just nuts how much power this thing has though. Wow. Incredible. Oh man. Just crazy how much torque that has. Absolutely absurd. I'm only at 78 volts right now, 76 under load. Just pure torque, man. No horsepower, just torque. Love it. Man, that suspension is just amazing. These D&M forks, I love these, man. They're the best suspension fork out there.